that. This. Alright. As you saw in our last video, I think that last video mentioned that this sumbitch right here is bad. Bad. We looked up some videos on YouTube to get to that. We did some research today, rode around, looked at dirt bikes, looked at motors and stuff. That's still bad. And earlier today, we had shit on here. Star broke this new part we gotta buy. He's gotta buy it, it's his bike. So we take all this off. The final thing we gotta do is get this to do that. And it's gotta separate. I done put them up, but we had breaker bars. Breaker bars. Breaker bars. Nothing. Yeah, stupid. We tried this thing because the guy on the computer had one. He's like, put this on there, put bolts in, unscrew it. This thing doesn't open. I'm about to get something that's over there. It's called a grinder. I'm gonna grind down the seam. We're gonna open it one way or the other. So, video 3, KDX 220 rebuild. We're stuck right here. This thing didn't open.